Hello everyone, I'm Artem from GoLogin, and today I'll tell you how to use Luminati proxies in our service using Proxy Manager. In the last video we talked about how to use Luminati proxies using super proxies. This is quite convenient, but there is another way. You can use Proxy Manager. This is a separate client that you can download to your computer and run it together with GoLogin. First you need to download it from the Luminati site. Go to the Tools tab and click the Proxy Manager. Here you can download it. After downloading and starting, you need to log in through your Luminati account, and the Proxy Manager will open the dashboard in your browser. How does this happen? The Proxy Manager connects to the local host on your computer, and thanks to this you can configure your proxies. So we should wait a little. And now we are ready to set up. Click the Add New Proxy button, and here we must select the zone that we will use. We talked about how to create a zone in the last video. Now a prompt will appear on your screen. Click on it and watch the video if you haven't already seen it. We created GoLogin one zone, select it, and the desired preset. Presets are the settings that our proxies will work on. We recommend using the browser preset. It allows you to use one IP for as long as possible. And save the proxy. The Proxy Manager created our proxy on port 24002. Click on the proxy to enter the settings and go to the Targeting tab. Here we can choose the country of this IP, state, city, and internet provider depending on the zone that we created. We have created a zone with the ability to select only the country. So let's choose the United States. Well, our proxies are configured. Now it remains only to add them to GoLogin. To do this, you should create new profile. For example, Luminati proxy. Then choose HTTP proxy. And you should enter your proxy host in this field. This is the local address to which the Proxy Manager is connected. You can see it here. Just copy it and paste. And here you need to enter the proxy port that we just created. So later we should save the profile and check our proxies. Now our proxy checker shows that we are in United States. Yes, welcome to United States. Nice. I hope I helped you, but if you still have any questions or suggestions, write a comment and I'll definitely answer you. Thanks for watching.